What's up, guys? So here we go. Just have to keep on letting it load. This and that. Hurry up, game. Keep on clicking it. Oh, just dropped it. Okay, so this one's going. So here we go. UFO. So I've been upgrading like crazy. So I unlocked a new map. I think a new car since the last time you guys seen me. Oh god. So it's lagging so bad right now. It's just screen lag right now. All I'm seeing. Since I'm recording frames per second. Oh my god. Yep. This thing's super laggy. So, there we go. So I was just on the Walmart page, and I have like $100. I don't have $100, let's say, but I know some people who do and that owe me something. So, yeah, and I saw on the Walmart page a ad thing for a PC monitor and like everything for it. The mic, speakers, online, and the best part is it's touchscreen, and what happens is you can play Android games on it. So I could be playing Clash Clans and this game on a computer for $140. Tell me that is awesome in the comments. Oh my god, it is awesome. I just think that's overpriced or what? Because I don't even know. I just know that is awesome. I just hit that dude so hard. He disappeared? What? Where is he? Map. No, what? I don't get it. Thank you. I'm just trying to find this dude. What? He's supposed to be right here. Oh my god. What the happened? What the happened? So, anyways, after that weird moment I've never seen, so yeah, I found that and I was like, oh my god, that's awesome. And I have an inner-child like majorly. I found a electronic motorcycle for $400 on Walmart. Walmart these days. Oh my god, they're awesome. That goes 25 miles per hour. And it's actually like a Harley Davidson looking thing that starts with like a key and everything. Shows how fast you're going. And it's not like one of those little pocket bikes. It's like a full-size one. Not a full-size, but like maybe like a couple inches smaller. Maybe like 10 inches smaller than the real one. I think that's insane. Walmart for the win, right? Like, my sister is getting this scooter that goes like 16 miles per hour, I'm pretty sure. 16 miles per hour. Scooter for like $300. My sister's 7 years old. I think that's a little absurd. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, so stop talking about Walmart. So right now I'm just about to get first place, hopefully. Yep, okay. So $700, that. Yay, just not, okay. So, I think I got a new vehicle since last time. No, I don't want to go online. Back. Oh, don't play. Oh, girl. See, I've upgraded my cars here, so I can change colors. I have 2 cars now, so this car, wait, not that car, this car, and this car. I want that car. I'm just gonna put some money on this one since it's so easy. I'm just gonna get some money. Don't even care. Okay, guys, I have this gift card for GameStop, but I wish it was a cool place so I could just use that gems, but no. Sucks. Oh jeez. Okay, I haven't not even got hurt yet. I have not even got hurt. My vehicle's still in perfect condition. Not after this hit though. Yeah, now it's definitely not perfect condition. Yep, there goes my perfect condition. But all those other guys are like hurt like bad. I'm like so perfect. So perfect. And these guys are so slow. I said too fast. Yeah, these guys are way too slow. Watch this. It's gonna come around and nah. Come on, mate. That's messed up. So, anyways, after that, failure for amigos. Yeah, there we go. No one's dead, and I already have $120. So these guys are pretty slow. But this dude's fast right here. This dude. That dude's the fastest right here. Okay, I lost both my doors. It's okay, but I'm the fastest so far. But he is definitely the second fastest. Other guys are just like, yep, he caught up to me. I need to upgrade all my stuff. Yes, I killed the fastest. Yeah, I know. He wants to help him, right? But I did. Because I don't give a fuck. So, there's that. Anyways, after getting wrecked for a second, let's try to clean up this area right here. I became like a pro. I'm not trying to be like cocky pro, but I'm actually been doing really good. I mean, I'm doing horrible, but I'm definitely not the best player, as you guys can see. Oh jeez. Okay. Some tires are falling off everywhere. Do not want to know why, where they're going, but tires are going everywhere. Okay, let's see how fast this dude can go. Hopefully this dude doesn't have fast. That's not pretty fast. Not pretty fast. I think he's faster, honestly, guys. I don't know. It could be. So I'm recording this on Monday, like it's like 9 o'clock. Sorry guys, I've been trying to record at 6, so it will be like uploaded in the morning. It would be like done. It would be done in the morning. But tonight I'm gonna upload 2 videos to apologize for misunderstanding right here. So, sorry guys, but there's that, so there's nothing I really can do about it. So this won't be uploaded until the morning. Tuesday, in the USA. Missouri, so Central Time. But here we go. Come on, this is gonna be annoying. E-brake. Skirt. See, now the chase is on him. See? Now I just hurt him. He does not even know what happened to him. Oh, that was close right there. Now, here's the hit. Yeah, that's it. I see this dude smoke. He's about to blow up. I'm not even that smoky. I'm pretty smoky. I haven't even seen this dude once yet. I think. Wait. Oh, I've always wanted to do that. That was awesome. Okay, sorry for not talking right there. That was in like a deep moment right there. So, I've been thinking. I want to know if there's any like way I can do like a face cam by using a tablet. If any of you guys know how, please tell me how. Like, honestly. I am totally new to this. As you guys can see, I used to have a YouTube, but I never uploaded. I uploaded like a couple times, but that's it. It was like simple stuff. I never uploaded this game because I've never played this. I've only uploaded like Clash or something like that. And the Qual. Okay. I used to use this app right here. I used to use this app. Oh my god, I cannot tell you guys how bad this app used to be. I give this app now 5 stars. I gave it a 1 star last time I used it. Last time I used it was like a year ago. So it's been doing good. Oh, cute. Doing good. Yep. Oh, okay. Right here. This is where I'm gonna die. I know it too. Oh, okay. Hopefully he dies. Hopefully he dies. For me, because I'm gonna die. I bet you I'm gonna die. See, I got cocky. Yeah. Good job, little punk. So, there's that, guys. So, I got $2,000. No, oh my god, why do I keep on doing that? No, back. Okay, thank you. Garage. See what we can upgrade. I don't want to upgrade our power. Speed. Speed is key. Okay, that's the first thing. Okay. This is my next car because this dude is like. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.